Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're doing a daytime glam makeup tutorial. To remove the dark circles and bags from under my eyes, I'm using a contour stick on the light-ended side. I really like using this because it helps brighten my eyes up. I just blend it in with a sponge. You don't need a lot, a little goes a long way. The next thing I'm going to do is go in with this eyeshadow palette in the shade Peach. They don't really have names, so I just came up with that. I start by placing the peach eyeshadow in the middle of the crease of my eye. Then I work it towards the middle. Do this evenly on both sides. Next, I'm going below this color with this coral pink color. I'm putting this color all over my eyelids. Gently work the coral color into the peach color. Make sure you work the coral color into the peach color and blend them out evenly. After both colors are blended evenly, we're going to go on with this cappuccino brown color and put it at the edge of our eyes. Blend this color up into the crease of your eye and then towards the middle inner circle of your eye. Now we're going to take the same cappuccino brown color and make a wing effect at the end of our eye. Take that same color and do the exact same thing to the other eye. Now we're taking this really pretty brown and white shimmery eye color and putting it in the middle of our eyelids. This color really brings out the look in your eyes. It just gives it that extra pop. Can y'all see the pretty shimmer that it gives off? Now I'm going in with more of that peachy color and I'm going underneath my eyes. I usually stop about the middle of my eye, that way I don't go all the way to the corner. Now the older I get, I learned that lighter is better. What I mean by that is now I use a dark brown eyeliner. I used to wear it dark black, but then I learned that it makes it look too harsh on the eyes. You don't want to look too overdone when you do your eyes because it'll just throw off your entire makeup look. I start by lining the top line of my lashes. I try to stay as close as I can to the waterline, and then I do the same thing with the bottom line. On the bottom lid, I line very lightly. Then I go in with a couple coats of mascara, and here's the finished look. I topped it off with a coral pink lip, and oh my gosh, it turned out perfect. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content. Bye guys.